Welcome to Business Top 5, your go-to channel for business insights, strategies, and tools to take your venture to the next level. Today we're diving into a topic that every business owner needs to master: managing finances. Whether you're just starting out, scaling up, or running a larger operation, having the right financial tools can make all the difference. Stick around as we explore the top 5 tools for managing business finances, complete with the pros and cons of each, tips on finding the perfect fit for your business, and a bit of their backstory. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you find it helpful. Let's get started. Kicking off our list is QuickBooks, the OG of accounting software. Launched back in 1983 by Scott Cook and Tom Prue, QuickBooks is part of Intuit's suite of financial tools. It's been around for over 40 years, and there's a good reason for its staying power. QuickBooks is designed to cater to small and medium-sized businesses, offering features like invoicing, expense tracking, and even payroll services. Let's talk advantages. The biggest selling point of QuickBooks is its user-friendly interface. You don't need to be a financial whiz to get started. Its dashboard gives you a clear snapshot of your business's financial health, including income, expenses, and profits. QuickBooks also integrates seamlessly with many third-party apps, so you can manage tasks like e-commerce and time tracking without switching platforms. It's also backed by a robust support network with tutorials, customer service, and community forums. But here's the catch: QuickBooks can get pricey as your business grows. For example, its most basic plan might be affordable for startups, but adding advanced features or multiple users can increase the cost. Another downside? It's primarily designed for businesses in the US, so international users might face limitations. QuickBooks is ideal for new and growing businesses that need a reliable, all-in-one financial management solution. If you're looking to simplify your accounting, QuickBooks is worth considering. Have you used QuickBooks in your business? Drop a comment and let us know what you think. Next up we have Xero, a cloud-based accounting software that's giving QuickBooks a run for its money. Xero was founded in 2006 in New Zealand by Rod Drury and Hamish Edwards. It's relatively younger but has quickly gained popularity, especially among startups and tech-savvy entrepreneurs. Xero shines in its ability to offer a visually appealing, intuitive platform that's perfect for collaboration. It's entirely cloud-based, which means you can manage your finances from anywhere, whether you're in the office, at home, or on the go. Xero is particularly known for its bank reconciliation feature, which allows you to match transactions with ease. Now, the Pro Xero connects with over 1,000 apps to automate tasks like payroll, invoicing, and bank reconciliation. Its mobile app is also a great tool for managing finances on the go. But on the flip side, Xero has a learning curve. If you're new to accounting tools, you might find it takes some time to get the hang of things. And like QuickBooks, the costs can add up for larger businesses with complex needs, especially if you need advanced analytics or multiple currencies. Xero is fantastic for startups and tech-forward small businesses. If you're just dipping your toes into entrepreneurship, it's a great place to start. Now let's talk about FreshBooks, which started as an invoicing solution back in 2003. Founded by Mike McDermott in Canada, FreshBooks has evolved into a full-fledged accounting software aimed at freelancers and small business owners. The best part about FreshBooks is its simplicity. It's tailor-made for service-based businesses, making it ideal for consultants, creatives, and solopreneurs. You can easily track time, send professional invoices, and even accept payments through the platform. The interface is clean and user-friendly, and you can generate financial reports with just a few clicks. However, FreshBooks isn't as robust as some of the other options on this list when it comes to inventory management or handling multiple users. If your business involves selling products or managing large teams, you might find it a bit limiting. But if you're a freelancer or a small business owner who values straightforward tools, FreshBooks could be your new best friend. Let's move on to Wave, a completely free accounting software that packs a punch for micro businesses and freelancers. Wave was launched in 2010 in Canada by Kirk Simpson and James Lockery. It's been a game-changer for entrepreneurs looking for cost-effective solutions. Wave offers core features like invoicing, expense tracking, and basic financial reporting, all for free. And yes, you heard that right, free. The biggest advantage here is that it's budget-friendly while still being reliable. The interface is easy to navigate and it's perfect for small-scale operations. However, there are limitations. Advanced features like payroll or credit card processing come with additional fees. It also lacks the scalability of some of the other tools on this list, making it less ideal for businesses planning to grow rapidly. If you're running a micro business or side hustle, Wave could be a lifesaver. It's simple, free, and gets the job done. Finally, we have NetSuite, a powerhouse financial tool designed for larger corporations and scaling businesses. NetSuite was founded in 1998 by Evan Goldberg and was later acquired by Oracle. It's known for being a comprehensive enterprise resource planning, or ERP, solution. NetSuite stands out for its ability to integrate financial management with other business processes like inventory, CRM, and e-commerce. It's incredibly robust, offering detailed financial reporting, automation, and scalability for businesses with complex needs. However, that level of sophistication comes with a steep price tag and a longer implementation timeline. It's not a tool you can set up overnight. It requires commitment and resources, but pays off for businesses ready to invest in top-tier financial management. NetSuite is perfect for mid-sized to large corporations that need advanced functionality and scalability. If your business is growing fast and you're ready to take the next step, NetSuite might be the right choice for you. Now that we've covered our top 5 tools for managing business finances, we want to hear from you. Leave a comment and let us know which social platform has been the most successful for growing your business. Your insights could inspire our entire community. Also, if you're looking to take your business to the next level, visit us at Business Lifeline Services. Head to businesslifelineservices.com and let us get to know you. Together, we'll develop a marketing plan that's tailored to your unique business goals. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Business Top 5, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Share this video with your network to help fellow entrepreneurs make informed decisions about their financial tools. Host, thanks for joining us on Business Top 5. Remember, the right tools can transform your financial management and set your business up for success. Until next time, keep innovating, keep growing, and stay tuned for more insights right here on Business Top 5. See you soon.